welcome back, and today I am gonna show you a new Angry Birds thing. So let me show you.
Where did you? I was looking for the professor.
See, it comes with this little egg, these two little eggs, sticker on it, and then it comes with this little boat here. This is like a little plank, but it's not plank. Gotta attach this little guy on it. It's from the Angry Birds movie, as you can see here.
Engage you.
Card.
It's not what they need.
Hey, come on, little boy. And all you gotta do is get this pig. Wait, first let me show you how to build it. So just get on top of here. Let's turn this a little bit. There we go. Oh no, that's a point. There we go. And let's get these two eggs and place it right on here. And then let's take this little guy right here. It's big. It's big. Look at his feet. See, it's like little circles, something. So let's attach him.
My car is light friction.
So wait.
The light?
With a black thing?
No, I thought it was in the other car, the one that's at the shop.
I thought so too. It's here.
Wait. There you go. Let's click it on there. And let's. All you gotta do is press this button, and then it just